Yeah, thank you. Oh, guys, please keep tapping. Tap on that screen. Yeah, Shell. Oh, Mike, thank you for joining my live video. Thank you. I keep praying for him to get better. Please pray for us, guys. He's such a lion. Thank you. Oh, my God, I really appreciate it. Please keep tapping on that screen. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, share it. We need our friends to know that we're live, please.
Sorry.
Oh my God!
Sorry.
Did you just give me that? Thank you for the lion. Oh, Amaka.
Sorry.
It's been long I saw you. You haven't been joining my life. Where have you been?
Please help me with the water.
Oh, thank you.
Water.
No, I'm going to leave here anytime soon, okay? Thank you. Please don't forget to share my life, And yes, we're going on a match tomorrow, okay? Make sure you come live on time, please. Please, please. Okay. Oh, no, that was yesterday. I wanted to post it, but don't worry, I will post it again. Oh, thank you, thank God. No, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He'll be fine. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Oh my God, this is a lion. Ah! Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Angela! Oh, please tap, 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 tap. We need our friends to know that we're live, guys. We need them to know we're live. We need them to know we're live. Yeah! Oh, goodness. Please stop.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? How are you wired? What kind of nonsense is this? How can you be paying attention to your phone while he's trying to get water? What kind of human being are you? Try to lie down.
Did you hire me as a nurse or a caretaker? There's a reason why he's in the hospital. He's here for nurses to take care of him and not the other way around.
That is why you are here.
Oh, are you insinuating I shouldn't do my business because I'm sitting here with him? Huh?
Nobody is asking you not to do anything. All you have to do is to take care of him. That is why you are in this hospital. And if you know you can't do that, you get out. Oh no, I'm not going anywhere. Are you okay? Are you stupid to talk?
Tracy, it's okay, please.
What is your problem? Every time it's okay. This is why I don't like to stand up for you. Each time I try to do that, you think I'm stupid. You think I'm foolish. What do you even see in this girl?
Oh, he sees everything. He sees gold. The things he sees in me cannot be found in you. Oh, listen. In case you forgot, I am from a rich home. I know you're richer, but you can't compare to mine. You know that, right?
It's not everything. Okay?
Oh, it is!
You can't just
You cannot find that in me!
Bring it down! What is it? This is a hospital. What is going on? Is my son okay?
Yes, your son is okay. I came into the hospital. He was trying to get water and he almost fell down while she was busy pressing her phone.
Wait, my son fell.
Ìjọba fẹ́ anybody ló ń kí ó dà pa àwọn olórí burúkú yìí gan-an ṣá. Ama àbí wetin dey call this one? Ama plumber dem you dey craze come out. So na one sleep abi? Na one dey sleep? Where's my money?
Tijani, good evening.
You call me Tijani? For my papa house? House where my papa live for me? No be your fault. No problem. Where's my money?
Tijani, I beg. Na beg we dey beg you, I beg.
Come.
Just give us time.
Na the craze abi. That's not the mad. Na still dey beg me. Okay, you know what I see. Because I owe your papa, I be your mama money. So you won't use my house, abi. Now God won't punish everybody here, abi. See, if I carry my boys come here, hey Jesus. See, I now enter house when I pack. Night don't come safe. I gave now this night. If you did break, if I still dead the house, I will break one padlock, big one. I use knock for you. You know they go. I go use like 7 months before I will come up for you.
Calm down now.
Calm down now. Me not wait for you.
No be like say we dey go tomorrow morning.
Now go see what go up.
Hey. What you go do? Oh no. But to go find another place we go stay. Find work we go give us place where we go live. What do you think? What do we go do? Cause me, I don't tire.
Tracy! 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 Tracy!
What is it? Are you okay? Mom! Dad! Mom! Sorry. What is it? What is going on? I don't know what is going on.
Let's take him to the hospital right now.
Come on. Please stand up. No. Goodness. Sorry. Sorry, sweetheart. Sorry. Let's go. Easy. Hello. Sorry.
He's getting worse. His health is seriously deteriorating. And if we don't find a match soon, we're definitely going to lose him.
Okay, so what are we waiting for? Can we just do something very quickly to get him to get a kidneys? Please, I can't afford to lose my son. I know what I went through to have that boy. I can't.
Doctor, please. We need a kidney just like right now. Now, please.
His name is up the ladder. He's the first in the list. But people who are coming forth are not compatible. And in the case of kidney, you need compatibility for it to work.
Okay, so can't we get someone, test them, pay them handsomely? There must be something we can do because he's dying.
The hospital is doing it best. We have put out word, we have put out information, we are on the look for a matching kidney. But there's something I also need to tell you. Your son is drinking too much. Someone with a kidney problem does not drink alcohol. And from the way he drinks, we might lose him.
Doctor, I understand what you're talking about. Please, I just need you to do everything you can do from your end. And we are going to do our best from our end. Doctor, no matter what you do, you have to keep my son stable and alive.
We're on it. We'll do our best.
Thank you.
What's going on? He's not connecting.
No, it's not.
Ugh.
What are we going to do now?
I have to keep trying. I don't even know what the problem is. Hey, young lady, please, sorry, is there any mechanic around here?
Good day, ma. Mechanic there, but they far. And do my way down and this side don't park come out.
What are we going to do now? We need to get to the house to get something sorted out. This car is not working. And this mechanic's number is not going. It's not connecting.
We don't have much of a choice. Maybe we should just call a cab, go. Then anytime we're able to get your mechanic, you come and take the car. There's nothing we can do.
No try, Amo. No leave your car here come out. Because here is a danger zone. Because if you leave your car here come out, if you come back, you no see car. If you see car, if you no see tire. If you see tire, if you no see your door.
So what are we going to do?
This is about well, boy. If you don't are very urgent, if you now feel if I'm going to go watch him, I go look after the car. If you go call a mechanic, make come carry him. I go there, watch the car.
Why would you want to do that for us?
My your choice, so I won't help you. If I might not help you, might they go.
Are you sure you're not one of the gang members that will remove the tires or even take the car?
Madam, which can't talk with that one? Now I won't help you now. Nobody say they pay me for the security work I want. I be my dig for now, man.
Come. Please stay. Help us watch the car so that we can take a cab, drive by the mechanic, call him, let him come in so that we can go home and do what we need to do. Right?
How do we know we can trust you?
Trust me, no problem. I go secure the car. But when I carry on a car key, they go. I go wait here, wait for the mechanic may come.
Okay. Mechanic will come with the car key now, so you can be sure it's him. It's fine. Let's get a cab. Call a cab. Or should I call the cab?
Cover the car.
Can this problem ever be truly solved? Like, can we finally get you a kidney? It breaks my heart seeing you like this. I'm not happy at all.
It's okay, sis. It's okay. I'm not going to die anytime soon. It's just crisis and I'll be fine.
I know, but can we just get you a new kidney already?
Sis, as long as I have you and Cherry, I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's just that the pain is too much sometimes. I just want to give up. I just want to go.
Don't say that. There's power in the tongue. Don't say that. How are we going to feel if anything happens to you?
I heard you were rushed down here.
Cherry.
How are you doing?
As you can see.
Well, I was on live stream when your mom called. I had to end the live and rush here immediately.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
Of course I'm fine.
She should be the one asking you that, bro. Not the other way around.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Meaning you are here now. All you have to do is stay with him. At least chat with him.
Well, I hope that is all I'm going to do. Sit and chat with him all day. Because if you ask me to do any other thing apart from that, you know I won't promise to do it.
That is what you will do. Sit and chat with him.
Of course I'm good at that. Hey babe.
Cherry.
Maybe I should just tell my friends that you're here. How about that?
Hey! Are you the mechanic?
Yes, now maybe the mechanic now.
You sure say na you be the mechanic?
Now you be the girl where Oga say go dey watch the car security. I don't come.
Show me your ID card.
I don't understand. Mechanic dey carry ID card.
You sure say na you be mechanic?
Go. Make I do my work. Time no dey.
You sure? Huh? Do am well, oh.
No, I thank you.
That's what you look like.
What? That was a fast job you did there.
Thank you, sir.
Come. Did you see that girl? Was she still waiting for me when you got there?
Yes, I met her there, but she left immediately I came.
Jobless people and joblessness. You mean that girl was there waiting? I'm sure she was expecting me to pay her some money. Well, I should have given her something.
Well, sir, you should. Next time when you see her, try and give her something. It's very hard to see somebody to watch over your car in that place. Please try and do that, sir.
Whatever. I hope I see her again.
You will, sir.
Okay, so everything is fine now?
Yes, everything is fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, bye,
see
sir.
you, eh?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi! These rich people, they do like say they do us favor. See we dey alive, they breathe the same air. Say na favor. Now one big thing like that. Yeah, way you don't know. You just stand for where they jealous. They protect your motor. You don't give a cheap man. She nothing. Even if you go give her money, no cause am now, no insult am. like say, God now you do this one. No. Now you do this one. No, now you do this one. Because it to say these people when they do this kind of thing, all these big men there, say you they give them hot as they misbehave, they for don't know no serious. If you even answer our prayers, they say answer my prayer, who with this one? Who won't come the open the gate? Hey, you lock the door, wash my car. God, they tell us our prayer too. Or you scatter this one, make everybody start from beginning. And you are big one.
Yeah, thank you. Oh guys, please keep tapping, tap on that screen. Yeah, Shell. Oh Mike, thank you for joining my live video. Thank you. I keep praying for him to get better. Please pray for us, guys. Is Dr. Lion? Thank you! Oh my God, I really appreciate it. Please keep tapping on that screen. Tap, 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 tap. Oh, share it. We need our friends to know that we're alive, please. Sorry. Oh my God! Sorry. Did you just give me that? Thank you for the lion. Oh, Amaka. Sorry. It's been long I saw you. You haven't been joining my life. Where have you been?
Please help me with the water.
Oh, thank you. No, I'm going to leave here anytime soon, okay? Thank you. Please don't forget to share my life, And yes, we're going on a match tomorrow, okay? Make sure you come live on time, please. Please, please. Okay. Oh, no, that was yesterday. I wanted to post it, but don't worry, I will post it again. Oh, thank you, thank God. No, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He'll be fine. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Oh my God, is this a lion? Ah! Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Angela! Oh, please tap, 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 tap. We need our friends to know that we're live, guys. We need them to know we're live. We need them to know we're live. Yeah! Oh, goodness. Please stop. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? How are you wired? What kind of nonsense is this? How can you be paying attention to your phone while he's trying to get water? What kind of human being are you? Try to lie down. Did you hire me as a nurse or a caretaker? There's a reason why he's in a hospital. He's here for nurses to take care of him and not the other way around. That is why you are here. Oh, are you insinuating I shouldn't do my business because I'm sitting here with him? Huh? Nobody is asking you not to do anything. All you have to do is to take care of him. That is why you are in this hospital. And if you know you can't do that, you get out. Oh no, I'm not going anywhere. Are you okay? Are you stupid to talk?
Tracy, it's okay, please.
What is your problem? Every time it's okay. This is why I don't like to stand up for you. Each time I try to do that, you think I'm stupid. You think I'm foolish. What do you even see in this girl? Oh, he sees everything. He sees gold. The things he sees in me cannot be found in you. Oh, listen. In case you forgot, I am from a rich home. I know you're richer, but you can't compare to mine. Listen, you know that, right? It's not everything. Okay? Oh, it is. You can't just be you cannot find that in me.
Bring it down. What is it? This is a hospital. What is going on? Is my son okay?
Yes, your son is okay. I came into the hospital. He was trying to get water and he almost fell down while she was busy pressing her phone.
Wait, my son fell?
Mom, I said he almost fell down. I don't know why you hired a social media influencer to take care of your son. Oh, please don't talk to me like that.
Please, I want you to understand that she is very important to his life.
Dad, she is nobody in his life. All she does is pay attention on her phone. She doesn't even want to take care of him. She's just acting so stupid and foolish. Oh, don't call me stupid, okay, you idiot.
Okay, hold on. Wait. If what Tracy is saying is true, what is wrong with you, Cherry? What is wrong with you? You had just one job. Just keep an eye on him. And you won't just let your phone go. You owe it to your man to at least stand by him during a time like this. If you're not going to take care of him, then why are you here in the first place?
So why will I drop my phone? Why? Am I here to take care of a dying man?
What did you just say?
Honey,
what did you just say?
please, calm down.
Did you hear what she said?
Yes, but you need to calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. Have you lost your mind?
Honey, please.
Don't you have a little home training from where you're coming from? What is wrong with you?
Honey, calm down.
Listen, if you want to be with this man, he's in trouble right now. You have to stand by him. Otherwise, this marriage is not holding. Then you get the hell out of here. Get out!
Calm down, please. Cherry, thank you so very much. We appreciate your coming. Thank you again. But about now, I think you have to go.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate. You see why I love both of you. You will understand me so much because I'm joking. It's joking me. Oh, thank you, Daddy. You're so good.
God. In as much as we want this girl,
I could skin her life. I tell you, I could skin her life.
Calm down, honey. I just want to say, in as much as we want her for the marriage and for the business connection, but I am not ready to trade my son for anything.
Business connection.
Yes.
Damn it!
She really needs to know that she has a responsibility to my son. I mean, just as we need them, they need us also. She needs to understand that.
No!
My son.
Anybody there? Yeah? The gate lock outside.
Hey, come on! What's the worry you? You thief?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You don't know the info, open the center.
No very, sir. Sir, I dey go house to house to look for work. You get any work?
How you take concern me? Work no dey here.
Bros, I beg no verse. Calm down. I beg if you help me any kind of work. I go take am.
Okay.
I beg help me.
Okay, ma give you my uniform now. May you carry work. Come on over here. Work no dey here.
Sir, you won't give me your job?
I go. Get out. What else no dey here? They go.
Sir, I beg now help me. I beg.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Is this not the girl we saw the other day standing by the car?
Sir, na me, sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir, what are you doing here? Sir, may I ask you this?
Yes, and why are you discussing with my gatesman?
Sir, please. I dey go house to house, they look for work. Sir, I beg, help me. And if you get any work for me, I beg. As I talk to you, I no get house to go back to. I dey frustrated like this. I need your help, sir. I beg, help me.
There is no vacancy here. Besides, what kind of job can you even do?
So, as I be do any work. Cook, clean, security, even get woman. As I be do that.
Come in. Let her in.
What?
It's fine. Come in. Come in. Open the door for her.
If I lose my work, you will die.
Like this, as I do your work.
Alright, so you said you can do any kind of job?
Yes, ma'am. Any work will give me now, I could do one way.
Good. So we don't have a maid in this house, alright? Yes, I know it's surprising because I've never really had a need for one. My daughter takes care of almost everything. But since you need this job desperately, I'm going to find you something. I mean, there should be something you can do here and there. So, it's okay.
Wouldn't be that, man.
Oh. You know? I will think of something, you know, since I've not really employed anybody for housekeeping. But there's something you would have to do first. You have to run a test. Okay, I'll figure something out. Just test for pregnancy to be sure you're not bringing in a baby for us. Then HIV, which is important. Then hepatitis B. You know, we just want a clean environment and make sure everybody's fine, it's safe.
That one will be a problem. If you want to employ anybody, you're supposed to at least check the person to be sure that the person is okay. So not someone that will put you and your family at risk. I'm okay with it.
Oh, I see. I mean, you spoke clean English. I thought you were just on the broken English part.
Yes, I speak English. At least I finished secondary school. Just that. Sometimes I go the other way.
Okay.
Are you sure this is necessary?
Oh, yes, it is. We'll have to see the doctor. Maybe you come in tomorrow. We'll go to the hospital and get you checked up. You know, they just take the sample and you go. All right? Oh, better still, we can do it today. I mean, it takes nothing. Just sample. Okay. So just sit down. Sit down and wait for me.
I should sit down?
Yes, please. Sit. Oh, it's fine. Sit.
Honey, what are you doing? Huh? I thought we didn't need a house help. Why are you getting one?
I'm not getting a house help. I'm getting a donor for my son.
I don't understand.
If I take her to the hospital, the doctor will run all the tests necessary. If she's a match, then we have a kidney.
Honey, how is it supposed to work?
Let me see. We'll tell her we're traveling abroad. If she want to come, definitely she would say yes. Who doesn't want to go abroad? Then when we get there, we'll harvest the kidney if it's a match. That's it. It's that simple.
Oh my God. You see, this is why I love you so much. You think ahead. And then you know what? If that girl comes here, from the way she's been gallivanting looking for a job, I'm sure there's nobody that would come fight for her.
Exactly.
We shall need a donor for our son.
Whether by hook or by crook.
Honey, your mind is messy. You have a very, You just saw her and it clicked.
Look, call me whatever. The truth is, when you're desperate to save your son, everyone you see is a solution in a case like this. Look, my son matters.
You are beautiful. Sweetie. Okay, I'm just so tired. Oh my God. You can't believe this.
I don't care. I just want to save my son.
I'm gonna miss you.
I make miss you.
Sorry.
Make you miss you, Taya.
Good I say don't get where you go stay now.
My friend, as you see me like this, now my auntie place I dey go. I beg, if you reach that place where you see work, take am serious.
I no be troublesome person now. If I reach there, I go comport myself. Because if they pursue me comot, I no get another place to go. Okay. If you reach your auntie house, dey careful. I no want wahala like the other time.
I go dey careful.
I go miss you.
Now me go miss you, pass.
Oh, bye.
Okay.
May I go pack my own things?
Okay, Chena, tomorrow you dey.
Never know. I just go pack my own.
Oh yeah, now.
Bye.
Yeah, home sweet home.
Okay. Who is this?
Oh, this is Oma, our new house help. She works with us now.
I thought you said we didn't need a new house help.
Oh yes. At first we didn't need one.
Yeah.
But Oma here needs a job badly. So we decided. Besides, she has done us a favor before. So we thought, why not? Let's give her a job.
Yeah.
Welcome, Oma. My name is Tracy. Just Tracy.
I don't believe I should call you by your name, ma.
Yeah, me too, I don't.
Please, I'll stick with Stanley. Take me to my room.
Okay. Okay, you take him to his room. Sweetheart, carry this. Alright.
Mom. You didn't tell us you were hiring a maid.
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm your mom. I don't have to take permission from you to do anything. Come on, let's go.
Wow. This kitchen looks cleaner than ever. This is nice. You are hardworking.
Thank you, Madam Trace.
Madam?
Trace.
Good. So tell me, how did you meet my parents?
Now God though, the other day the car been spoiled for one danger zone like that. They want leave and come out and tell and say, no, this place no good. Make I help them look the car so they fit call mechanic. Me come carry am.
So you had to stand by the car?
I no get work. You see people like us, they no burn us with slavers. I no get work.
You know what? I like you.
Thank you, madam.
Madam again.
Trace.
So, I am a very, calm person. I am a loner. I like staying indoors. So, I like your company. Once in a while, I'll come check up on you. We're going to chit chat like this. Don't worry. I'm free. You can come to me anytime. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Madam?
Tracy.
Tracy is fine. So, Stanley, you need to take your medicine.
Gosh, do I have to take all of this?
If you must stay long enough to get a kidney, you need to take your medicine. Listen, Stanley, I know how you feel, and I am sorry. But you have to take your medicine.
Alright, fine. By the way, I don't understand why Mom got a new house help. I mean, they didn't want another one after the last one left.
I am as surprised as you are. She didn't even talk to us about it. I'm just so surprised. The girl seems cool though. She looks nice.
Yeah. I'm sure they know what they're doing. I mean, after all, they are parents.
You see one difficult thing about you? You don't know when something is good or bad. It's not nice. It's not a good trait. You have to change. Okay? You just have to. I think we need to ask Mom what is happening.
Look, I just think that they're trying to get extra help. It's because of me. It's not been easy for them, you know that. So it's probably not that a big deal. It's not a big deal, sis.
I hope so too. How about your social media influencer?
Tracy.
Because this is someone you want to get married to. And I'm scared about it. Because the marriage might not last. And even if it will, I'm scared of your mental health.
Hey, baby. Oh, I missed you so much. How have you been?
You missed me so much.
Mm-hmm.
You missed me. You came to visit me once at the hospital. And this is 3 days after I have left the hospital. You're just coming. And you say you miss me.
Please, Stanley, do not start. What is the meaning of all this?
What do you mean, what's the meaning of all this, Cherry? How can you say you miss me when you treat me like this?
Stanley, I am a human being. And I cannot be in a tight place for so long. Come on, it is not easy dating a dying man. It's not easy being with you, and the truth is I need time. Time to take care of myself. I mean, things that could actually keep me alive. So you should be happy I am here. You should celebrate the fact that I am here for you.
Repeat what you just said.
You heard me.
It's not easy to date a dying man like me.
It is not easy being with you. Being with you is stressful, is way too stressful.
Cherry, you dare talk to me like this?
But you should be happy I am here. I'm here.
Then don't come. If it takes you a lot of courage to come see the man you are dating, don't come.
Who is this thing?
She's my house help.
Oh, a house help. A house help is talking back at me.
Because I know I said the truth.
Really?
I didn't even know he has a girlfriend. Because since I started working in this house, I haven't seen anyone like you. Your shadow has not fallen on this house. Is this how you put the relationship? Is it a contract that when the other person is not keeping to the end of the contract, you yank it off?
What is that your name again?
My name is Oma.
Cherry, stop it.
Well, my name is Sherry. And you do not open your filthy mouth to talk back at me.
Cherry, can you stop that, please? Stop it.
Oh, please do not tell me to stop. You watched her open her dirty mouth to advise. Who are you to advise me?
Cherry!
A common maid, right? She's a maid.
Don't stoop this low. Can you just stop it?
A maid. Listen to me. Look at me. You have no right to be here. And you have no right to talk back at me.
Cherry, I'm not going to tell you again. Just stop it.
Oh no, come back. Come back, I'm not done with you.
Oma, go back to the kitchen right now.
Oh, Stanley, you saw her, you watched her disrespect me. Oh, I am not done with her.
Cherry, can you just calm down?
Calm down for what? You watched a common maid disrespect me.
And you want to stoop to her level? By slapping her, fighting with her?
So I should tolerate her disrespecting me. A common maid. A maid.
Oh God, I can't deal with this.
He's not dealing with me. I'm not dealing with her.
Poverty, now you do this one. Now you do this one. On a normal, this girl no rich. If I don't beat and wait no good. Oh, no problem. Poverty one me zero. No problem.
Amma, are you okay? What happened?
Oh, I'm fine.
Amma, you don't look fine. Talk to me. I told you you can confide in me. Tell me what happened. What's the problem?
I think I overstepped my boundaries. I said something I shouldn't say. So, your brother's girlfriend raised her hand to me.
Cherry slapped you?
Yes.
Why?
She said something about your brother dying, so I got angry and responded.
What? Give me a moment.
Here, just mix the pink and the blue. It's a very perfect combo. Just check my last post. You will like that. Trust me. Hey!
Hi, Cherry!
Hey, Tracy!
Oh my God! How dare you?
Why did you slap me?
How dare you raise your hand on Oma?
Because she deserved it. That stupid girl disrespected me and she had no right to interfere in my business. Does she even know who I am? She is nobody to stand before me, not to talk of insulting me. She got herself involved in a conversation I was having with my man, your brother. Is she even aware I'm going to get married to him?
You are not yet married in this family. And even if you are, you have no right to lay your hands on a domestic staff. She is a human being.
A human being? A human being who had no right to insult me. She had no right to even stand before me. What is her problem? You're supposed to be supporting me. I am your brother's wife-to-be.
You dehumanize my brother. You keep reminding him that he's gonna die. Anybody in that state will call you to order. But no, your ego will not let you listen to her. And that was what she did. Listen, this is gonna be the last time you raise your filthy hands on her. If you try it again, you will see the other side of me.
Oh, Tracy, watch your mouth. Listen, I am going to let this go simply because you are his only sister. Next time you try this, I will so deal with you.
Stanley, call your girlfriend to order. Even though I know she's not going to listen to you.
I am not a girlfriend, I am a fiancé.
No.
Stanley, don't... Did you see that? She just disrespected me. You're not going to send it. Okay, I'm going to tell the whole world that everybody in this family is disrespecting me. Hi, guys. Can you imagine? Am I not pretty enough? You're not going to stop me.
Oh, doctor.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Charles.
What?
She's a perfect match for your son.
Oh!
Her both kidneys are healthy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So what are we going to do now?
It's okay. It's fine. We'll just start making travel arrangements. Don't worry. I'll take care of everything.
Congratulations once again.
Doctor, you have no idea. You have no idea of how excited I am. I can't.
Exactly.
Hey, Cherry, you're here. What is that?
That girl needs to leave this house.
What girl? Are you
need to fire that girl. I don't want her to be here.
What girl? Are you talking about Oma?
I don't care what her name is. I just don't want to stay in this house anymore. I don't want to see after what she did today.
Okay, what happened? What did she do?
The bottom line is that she needs to be fired. I can't keep coming here knowing that the worker here disrespects me. She raised her voice at me and said all manner of rubbish to me.
She raised her voice at you? Why would she do a thing like that? Huh? I'm sure she didn't know who you are.
Exactly. For not knowing who I am, I don't mind putting her in her place. I want her gone. I just want her gone, else I'll stop coming here.
Okay,
and today, the Tracy slapped me because of that disgusting thing.
What? Tracy slapped you?
It's so painful.
Well, okay, look. Let me handle this, okay? Just sit down, alright? Let me take care of this. I'll handle it, alright?
But I've just given you a perfect solution. Tracy, sleep.
Okay, let me fix this, alright? We're just getting back from the hospital.
Well,
I'll
you're
fix
going to
this.
fire her because she doesn't have to stay in this house.
Come on.
Daddy, you need to fire the girl. I am going to tell my dad because nobody is taking me serious.
I need you to calm down, okay? I personally will handle the matter.
Oh, okay, just do it. I don't want to tell my daddy how I'm suffering here. This is so painful. Okay. So, Oma is a match? Yes, she is. So I want to actually gloat a little bit. Yes, that means my decision to employ her was the best decision ever. All we have to do right now is convince her to travel with us out of the country. We have the transplant over there. Then we wait for maybe a year, 2 years, so Stanley can get fully recovered. Then we're back to our lives. I mean, breath of fresh air. I'm super happy.
Basically, you want to harvest her kidney without letting her know.
Stanley, I mean, if we break the news to her, she would definitely disagree. All we need to do is take it.
Isn't that organ harvesting?
Oh, sugar. Call it whatever you want to call it. Your mom is desperate to save her son. I want a kidney for my son. So I will do whatsoever it takes to get it, including this one.
You do realize that people who are harvested like that illegally almost never survive because they make sure they don't survive to defend themselves. You know that, Mom.
Stanley, I need you to understand that is the idea. We employed her in this house as a house help. I mean, nobody's coming for her. Exactly. Nobody will fight for her. If she survives, okay. If she dies, that's her business.
I don't understand that. You want to take someone's life to save your son's?
Look, honey, I know your grandma put in some, church things into you. That's beautiful. But sometimes people are selfish, in life. Now it's my turn to be. I want a kidney for my son. I don't care if I'm going to sacrifice a few persons. I will do it. Trust me, I will. I am desperate.
So, how does it feel, Mom?
Good. Feels great.
Feels good.
Yeah, my son is going to leave.
Having a staff, a helpless girl who works for you and does her job so delicately as a pawn in this sick game of yours.
Stanley, this is not what you should be worrying yourself about. All I need you to do is make her a happy person here. Make her comfortable, make her relaxed in this place.
Exactly.
If possible, tell Cherry to just stay away from her. She can even stay away from the house for some time.
Yeah.
So that whenever we break the news to her, she would not have any reason to suspect us. I mean, everything would just go smoothly.
Dad, no matter how you want to pamper this word, it is wrong. It is all shade of wrong.
Tracy, you know what? I am not seeking your opinion here.
Good.
No, none of your opinions. We just called you here to let you know what is going on.
To inform you.
That's right. That's all we brought you here to do. See, you have to play along. Yes, your brother must be saved. He has to be alive. So keep all these morals to yourself. Huh? All hands needs to be on deck to keep him living. He has to be breathing. He has to be alive.
Including his hands.
That's right. What?
Come here acting like the Pope. Listen. We want a kidney
we're going to have it done. You both keep your mouth shut. You're dismissed.
Are you going to keep quiet about this? Are you going to let them do it?
I don't know. I'm tired. I've just had enough. I'm in so much pain. I don't know if it's the feeling of death. I don't know what this is, but I'm just tired.
Then tell them no. Tell them you don't want hers.
So I should just die? Just like that?
It's crystal clear you don't have a problem with this. So you want to trade your life with that of somebody's.
That's not what I'm saying. All I know is that I'm just tired and I don't know what to do. I just want you all to leave me alone. It's not easy to be in so much pain. That's just all. I'm tired.
Stanley, nothing will happen to you.
So how do you intend to save me without a kidney? Without a kidney, how do you intend to save me?
If you cannot stand up against injustice, that means you are worse.
Not on my conscience, it is making me hard to breathe. I can't stand to see another shed tears for me.
Good morning, sir. I was thinking if you could go outside for the early morning sun. It's 11 o'clock.
Oma, is that necessary?
It's for your own good. If you can't walk around, I can get you a wheelchair so you can sit on it and I'll take you around.
Okay, go get the wheelchair.
Okay, let me go and get the wheelchair.
Wow. Look at him collecting the early morning sun. This is so nice.
Nice.
Yes.
As much as the morning sun is good for him, I hate to watch this. It's a horrible sight. My son is messing around playing with peasants, servants. I hate it. I can't wait to get this procedure over and done with so I can get rid of these people.
This is what my mother taught me. Oh yes. It's just that I really don't like the idea that she raised them. They're acting like children from the slums.
I want my mother to raise the kids and not the maids. Huh? Yeah, we have to deal with the product of our decision. This is the product.
You know what? It is better that my mother raised them than house helps. Huh? Just that my mom will want them to value simple things and simple life that goes contrary to their status.
That's why I wanted him to marry Cherry. Exactly. Cherry knows her worth. She's a woman of class. Cherry can't be found with these people.
How are you feeling?
Honestly, I feel a whole lot better. Thank you so much, Oma. I think the sun really did justice to my body. I feel alive. I feel...
So we can do this
good.
more often.
Is it necessary?
You said it makes you feel better. Doing it more often will make you feel good.
Okay.
Let me take you inside. Get your food, take your medicine and have some rest.
Oma. Thank you so much.
I know. I know your dad will do anything it takes to support my boy. He's going to be his son-in-law.
Yes, but he needs to go back to being the man he used to be. He's now boring and it's so exhausting. I'm tired of being with a man who cannot go out with me. His health condition is not stable. Today he's sick, tomorrow he's fine. How am I supposed to cope with this? It's almost like I'm dating a vegetable.
All of this will soon be over, Cherry. I just want you to concentrate on your relationship and build it. You need to spend more time with him. Both of you are dating right now, so, why don't you just try as much as possible to make this work? Okay, don't make it appear as if it's a contract or something.
But it's starting to feel like it's a contract. When the man I'm with cannot even go out with me. He can't even drink alcohol or have normal fun like every other couple. We can't do that. It's choking me. And I'm tired. Honestly, if not because of my dad, I won't be with your son, honestly, because I'm tired. I know I care about him, but right now, I'm tired.
I understand how you feel. But you're still a woman, despite your status. We make relationships. We don't break them. We build things, we don't destroy them. If your man needs your moral support, your emotional support, you give it to him. Who knows, maybe if you had given him attention, he'll be strong enough to wait till we get a kidney. But with you is no. You're always on your phone, texting, not minding that you have someone who needs your moral support.
Do I sense you trying to put this on me? Are you trying to blame me for your son's current situation? Why is no one understanding the fact that I'm going through a lot? Should I now commit suicide simply because I want to be your daughter-in-law? Why is no one seeing that I'm suffering? It's not easy being with your son.
Cherry, that is not what we are talking about.
But that is what she said.
That's right. It may have appeared to you that way, but that is not exactly what we mean. Cherry, you need to be more sensible. You need to connect more with him. Okay? He is going through a lot right now. He needs your love. He needs your emotional support more than ever. Do you understand?
I do, but I'm trying. I know. And I'm suffering while doing that because I care about him too. Yes, Mr. Family. Exactly what I was talking about the other day.
Cherry.
So I'm going to post it tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow morning actually. And then just comment your favorite color and then I will know what to do.
Cherry. My dad said after the kidney transplant, our wedding plans can start. But you've been acting so withdrawn lately. I just want to know, do you still want to get married to me? Cherry. Cherry.
Yeah, what is it?
I'm talking to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Trying to post a video for my fans.
You're trying to post
A video?
for your fans, so your fans are more important than this conversation about our wedding.
Well, first of all, you need to get a kidney transplant and get better. Then we can talk about the marriage or whatever it is you're talking about. I don't understand why everybody's advising me to be close to you, to be nice to you. But the truth is, I am so tired of being with a man who is not man enough.
Cherry. So being sick makes a man not man enough?
Well, neither does it make you man enough.
Cherry, you're talking to me like this. Me.
Well, it's either you are on your wheelchair or you're struggling to get up from your bed or even to move. Is that the kind of man you want to be with me? I am not here to suffer. I didn't come to this world to suffer. There's limit to what I can take. And being with you is exhausting and tiring. So if you want this or whatever it is you're talking about, you need to get better. Get a kidney transplant so you'll be strong to stand before me. Okay? Honestly, the truth is that I've been trying to endure this whole thing because I don't want to hurt you.
You don't want to hurt me?
Yes.
But Cherry, you say you don't want to hurt me, but you're hurting me right now.
So, me telling you the truth is hurting you. When it hurts you, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to lie to you? Tell me, am I supposed to lie to you? I'm telling you the truth. You are no longer the man I used to know. You are so boring. I can't go out with you. You can't even do anything with me. We used to go places. We used to do so many beautiful things together. But look at you right now. You can't do that. And I'm suffering for it. It's suffocating and it's choking me.
Cherry, stop. Stop. Your words are hurting me right now. Stop it, please. Stop it.
Oh. I don't care if you want to explode or break. It is still not going to change the fact that you're now boring. I am tired.
You used to like my presence. You used to like my swag. You used to enjoy being in front of me. Why have you changed?
You just said it. That was when you were a man. But now, you're just like a vegetable who might just shrink and die anytime soon.
Hi, Mama. This water is not cold. Why?
Give it I want to ask you. Hope you no go vex.
What is it?
I hear say your brother and kidneys boy.
Well, we are actually looking for a donor, but we hope we find one soon.
Okay. I want to know the kind of thing we in the chop. Because I know say they follow us chop some things we the chop here.
Actually, he has a list of food. There's some things he can eat and there's some things he cannot eat. But most importantly, he needs to stay away from alcohol and smoking.
But he drinks now.
Yeah, that's my brother's problem. You know, sometimes he drinks to relax his nerves, you know, so he can stop thinking about his problems.
I think we should keep alcohol away from him, away from the house, because he's not that strong to go out and drink.
Well, I mean, I don't think my father will indulge in that. You know, he drinks too and he receives a lot of guests, and alcohol has to stay in the house.
If your brother's good though, it's for his own good. And I think everybody should try and adjust. So we try and adjust.
Yeah, I hope so. But why did you ask?
I feel bad when I see him like that. I can only imagine he was once a vibrant young man and all of a sudden he becomes sick.
Well, we only hope for the best. Everything will be fine, I'm sure.
Everybody telling me it's gonna be okay, when I know that's not true. I can see my life going one way, and there's nothing I can do. If I should go, let me go in peace. If I should go, let me go with no tears in my eyes. I wanna say goodbye.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I came to sweep your room. Should I go and come back later?
Do whatever you want. Just go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. I know this is none of my business. Why are you drinking alcohol? I thought it's very dangerous to your health.
Now you're going to tell me how I'm going to live my life. Since when did that one start?
Yes.
Anyways, I was bored, so I decided to get some drink.
You are bored? Is that not your girlfriend over there?
So you see a girlfriend here. Does this look like a girlfriend to you? Point of correction. This is a girl on my bed. And that's all. Not my girlfriend.
Sir, I know this is wrong. But your family are all worried. They are doing everything to keep you safe. They are trying to get somebody to give you a kidney, and you are here destroying the one you have. How will you feel if after the transplant and the other kidney is bad? What will you do?
It's not better that I just leave. And just go and disappear. And everybody can just move on with their life. Isn't it better? So I can just stop being some charity case to everyone.
You don't know how many people out there that wish to live. Some people are bedridden. They cannot move. They wish to be in this condition that you are in. Are you, ma'am? Is this why you are here? To be on your phone the whole day? Is that the only thing you know how to do? I'm talking to you. What's wrong with you? What kind of human being are you?
Have you lost your mind? Give it back. Give me my phone.
Oh, I won't give it back. I don't care who you are or who I'm messing with. You are his girlfriend, yet he's lonely. The man you want to get married to is killing himself with alcohol and you don't care.
Give me back my phone. I said give me back my phone. Is something wrong with you? Give me back my phone. Who are you to advise me on how to stay with a dying man? No, who exactly do you think you are? No, who are you to teach me how to live my life? It's like you want to come give me back my phone.
No.
I said give it back. Give me back my phone.
No.
Give me back my phone. Are you stupid? Are you insane? Is
Tracy!
something wrong with you?
Tracy!
Are you mad? Ouch!
Tracy!
You're mad!
Yes. Tracy!
What is going on here?
Please take
Get
your
out
hands
of
off
here!
here.
What is going on? Stop it! Imagine this stupid guy talking back at me, teaching me how to live my life. Now, both of you should get out. Get out! No! Get out! Get out! Tell her to leave here. Get out! No! Get out! Bushmeat! I said, stand up. What? Get out. Tracy! Tracy, you're hurting me. Come out! You're hurting me. Shoo! Get out. No! Stop! Move! Move! Out!
Tracy, please come and take this bushmeat phone.
No, I will not take this. I can never be disrespected in this house like a nobody. How can a common maid make me fight? She made me fight, and as if that was not enough, your daughter pushed me out of my man's room like a nobody. Who on earth would tolerate that?
A beautiful morning to you, Cherry. And thanks for asking. I slept well.
I am talking about something very important.
Listen. This is my room, my bedroom. You do not come in here without knocking. You knock on the door because that's why there's a door there. And next time you want to have a conversation with me, start with good morning. I am not your boyfriend. I'm not the person you're dating. You're dating my son. Did you sleep in the same room with me tonight? So why do you start with not telling me good morning?
Is greeting you more important than what I'm going through?
I don't care what you're going through, Jerry. Because you're always going through something. You're always the victim. It's either you're going through something with Tracy or right now, Oma, my maid. You stood so low to have a fight with my maid.
Is that all? I came to you because I'm hot. I came here and I expect you to tackle them immediately and not yelling at me like I did something wrong.
You ran to me after the fight. If you had respect for me and for yourself, you would have approached me first before getting into a dirty fight with a maid. Like I said, I'm not your mate. When you're coming into my room, you knock. Or better still, wait for me downstairs. When I come out, we talk. Or, oh, I almost forgot, texting. Something you're very good at. You could have texted me, ma'am, can we have a conversation? Then I'll say yes or no. You got into a fight with a maid. Now what? What do you want me to do?
Fine. I expect you to punish her. Make her understand that I'm not just an ordinary woman. I am your son's wife-to-be. You need to make her understand that she doesn't have to disrespect me. She should treat me with so much respect.
Okay. I can tell her that. But do you respect yourself? Do you know that respect is earned and not demanded? How did it get to this level where Oma is disrespecting you? She's been here with Tracy, who's almost her mate. She hasn't disrespected Tracy. But you, I'm going to talk to her. But I want to be sure that you haven't placed yourself in a position where she can't even respect you. It's a shame. Silly thing, sports brat.
Sir, I brought your wash clothes. Should I put them in the wardrobe? I am sorry for what happened earlier. I know I was out of tune. I'm sorry.
Are you apologizing because you did something wrong?
If I had the opportunity to do it again, I will. But I'm just a maid.
So tell me, why did you do it? Why did you act that way? What pushed you?
I think you deserve better. You deserve all the love, care, and attention you can get. That girl doesn't love you. She doesn't deserve you. If she cannot take care of you now, she will never take care of you.
What?
They're getting too close and it's annoying. It's a horrible sight, it's an eyesore. Who does she think she is?
Honey, you just need to calm down. Let us do spoiled things right now. Huh? This is the time we pull her in. Yes, so that our son can play with her. Let's him make her, happy, comfortable, not suspecting anything. And then what do? We snatch him from her. Do all we need to do. I'm already working on the papers. Tomorrow we'll break the news to her.
Honestly, I can't wait for this to pass. I can't wait for this to pass. I can literally strangle that girl with my hands. Sitting on the same table with my son, a servant. Dirty thing. Just because I want some kidney. So mad. Can't wait.
Thank you. Wait. Please come. I'm not feeling sleepy yet. I was wondering if you could just stay with me a little bit. Spend time with me just a little. If you don't mind.
Are you sure? I don't want any problem. You know your parents are beginning to like me. I don't want to ruin it.
And that's the more reason why you should do this. I mean, my parents will be happy that you are talking to their son and keeping him company. The truth is, I've been lonely almost all my life. Even though I have a girlfriend, I've always felt lonely. But you've been the best highlight of my life since you came in. And I'm very grateful. And they see how happy I am. And come on, we're not doing anything, we're just talking.
Okay.
Please, just sit, okay? So, I never got to ask what level of education did you complete?
Okay.
Everybody telling me it's gonna be okay, when I know that's not true. I can see my life going one way, and there's nothing I can do. If I should go, let me go in peace. If I should go, let me go with no tears in my eyes. I wanna say goodbye, my way. I wanna say goodbye, my own way. I wanna say goodbye, my own way. I wanna say goodbye, my own way. Let me go, please. I'm trying to figure out what I live for. A life of pain and depression. I feel my time is coming to an end. I'm tired of the talks and the lectures. Everybody telling me it's gonna be okay.
Where are you coming from?
I have been in your brother's room. He asked me to keep him company and we were just...
I saw you.
You were there?
Yeah. I actually wanted to come check up on him. And I saw him smiling. He was laughing.
Your brother is fun to be with. I can only imagine when he was very strong what he did with himself. He's a nice person.
I know.
I pray God answer our prayer and get him done.
I wish you know you are the one with the kidney you need now. I can only imagine what my mother and father have in store for you. I feel very, very sorry for you. You are excited about helping him, but they are excited that you are here to be used. How sad.
You seem lost. Are you okay?
Yeah. I am just glad that my brother is happy. Thank you. I want to.
You're looking better today, all smiles.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Daddy. So I was just telling Stanley that he's looking better today.
My
Yes.
A lot better, thank you.
Thank you.
Oma,
Ma?
get ready. Today or maybe tomorrow. You should go to the passport office. The arrangements have been made so you can get your passport.
What thing they happen there, madam?
We will be traveling out of the country. You know, it has been very difficult for us to get a kidney for Stanley, so we thought about it. Why not just go abroad, you know, and then get a kidney, have the transplant done, and then give him some time to recuperate and get well. Perhaps a year or two, or even some months. Then we come back to the country.
So, you want to carry me go abroad?
Of course. I mean, you stay here with us, you're a family member. Why would we leave you here? You know, you mentioned that you want further education. So I'm thinking that's a good opportunity. We'll take you there, get a school for you, then you get a job, and you start working, going to school.
No lie, no believer. But you want to carry me go abroad, may I go continue my school there?
I told you I would do something about your education. You're coming with us, except you don't want to go.
I want to go, madam. I want to go. Madam, thank you. God bless you.
Stand up, stand up. Stand up.
God bless you. God bless you and your family. God bless all of you for me. But they won't carry me on my go abroad.
Yes.
Hey.
It's okay, my dear. Moreover, since you came into this house, it'll be really helpful. Look at my son, he's all smiles. You're keeping him company. You clean the house, everywhere. Why are we leaving you here? We'll be away for a long time, so it's better we go with you, all right?
Okay, ma. Thank you. God bless you.
Go and prepare yourself. That's if you want to.
I didn't go, madam. The problem that you go.
That's nice. Good. Smile.
Shed tears for me. Please, not on my conscience. Please make it to make sense. I cannot sit to see another give up the life for me. Cause it's over for me.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
For me. It's over for me. For me.
Sir, thank you so much. God bless you. I still can't believe that I'll be going to abroad to study. I was not able to achieve that in Nigeria because of money. But now I'm going abroad to study. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you and your family. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Amen, amen. It's enough. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for what you have done for me. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Are you going to allow this happen? Did you see the excitement on her face? She sees us like God right now. And you're just going to allow this happen to her?
What do you want me to do? Mom and Dad call the shots. They make all the decisions. I don't have any power here.
This girl takes good care of you. I saw the smile on your face and I was proud that this is the brother I've always wanted. And you're just going to allow all of this happen because Mom and Dad calls the shot?
You're not going to say anything.
Not on my conscience, it is making me hard to breathe. I can't stand to see another.
Hey, my friend. So now this place they stay. Almost see house. See big television. Now heaven be this so. Hey God, see my friend.
I tell you, my dear sister, God don't bless me. This family don't do plenty thing for me. It never reach 1 month when I start to work for here.
I know.
But if you see the way they take care of me, see me see food. I get my own room here. I get television, big television. I even get AC.
You get AC?
My bed big, my bed there like this.
You
go enter
friend.
me, enter you. Enter that your auntie and picking. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
I'm sitting now.
This is why I want to talk now, go shock you. Sit down where?
Oh yeah. Tell me now. Talk, Joe. What's happen?
I dey go abroad.
It's a lie. I don't feel a lie. No, they lie. Give me.
Need to shift this chair. I dey go abroad. You mean that? I dey go abroad.
You mean them?
Yes, now.
My friend. You see, I tell you that time when you be the beg landlord, they cry up and down. When landlord don't pursue you, come up for house. See him now. This family don't come out you for streets. My friend, you dey heaven like this. See me. What thing I dey do? I still dey go my auntie shop. I know they do anything.
No worry. She talk say if person go abroad, he go dey work. If I go there, I go find work. Then I go dey send you small money. Just dey pray for me, eh? I could dey pray for this family, because as they enter my life, everything change for good.
My friend. My friend. Omo, I'm happy for you. Hey.
What about that guy? The guy is very nice though. He's down to earth. Even his sister, Tracy. But him parents are not today close to. They know all this organ madam thing relationship. I not to know this. I know if he talk anything. But you see that guy? The guy too far. He's charming.
Hey. Charming kwa.
Yes, nah.
I don't they look you with 2 eyes. Oh.
I dey tell you who the guy be now. The guy na fine purple wey make sense. But he get small problem, get challenge problem. And devil compare with one kind stupid, nonsense and rubbish girlfriend when he the check. I just wish say God answer my prayer. May give the guy everything wey he deserve. May he settle am. The thing wey dey there be say, in kidney no good, it don't spoil. You know, good, don't spoil. So they find person wey kidney go match with her, so they go save her. Person wey God give life, get good health, no know wetin God do for her.
But my friend, now work carry you come for this place, so make you know they shook mouth for wetin no concern you. You better focus.
I dey focus.
My hand no dey.
Maybe you ask me something wey no concern my work. You ask me about my oga pikin, it concern my work. You ask me something wey no concern my work, now answer is something wey no concern my work.
Then if you care, why you no give am your own?
If my kidney work, I go give am. No be anything now. No be one, he go hold one, me I go hold one. I fit do am for am. I fit do am for am. You know, good people no plenty again for this world. And you know, go good to see good person suffer. I fit give am, go do am. But the thing we did there be say, in rich kidney and my poor kidney, you know go match. Not true now. You know say in kidney they chop better food. My kidney they chop only gari and that where water will be they drink.
Not true.
And if I give am now, if it die finish. No go work.
No even go there. Not true. My friend, now enjoyment food this house, so. Eh? You mean say that food when you give me shop? Now what you they shop for this place every day?
Yes, nah. I don't even give you everything.
Hey, see juice.
Drink, enjoy yourself.
Ah, my friend, you see this house? I go to come this house every day. I go to come this place every day.
I just got to the house. Let me call you back.
Madam,
why are you sitting on the couch and not on the floor? Who is this thing?
Madam, I'm my friend.
Your friend? Oh, wow. Your friend is sitting on our couch and you served her with a glass of juice. Oh, even though you're drinking. Who gave you the audacity to drink juice in this house? I'm talking and you're drinking. Are you stupid?
Come, Oma. Who be this one? That one I tell you now.
You're stupid. Now get down on the floor. Get.
Hey.
You're asking me a question in my house. Are you insane? Are you stupid?
Cherry! What is wrong with you? Have you gone mad? Are you this disrespectful to hit people in my house? What is wrong with you?
Can you imagine this stupid thing? She allowed, I don't even know what she called her, sit on our couch and drinking juice.
Will you shut your mouth up? Do you live in this house?
Look, this is supposed to be our house when I get married to you.
I can't just come in and slap people. Just for no reason. For what? These are my guests.
Your guest?
Yes.
You just call this thing your guest? And this witch is serving her and you're comfortable with them. Sitting comfortable, they're just eating.
Will you shut up your mouth, Cherry? If you don't like the way things are run in this house, if you don't like that my guests are having a good time, then you discuss with the people that own the house. You don't just act like a crazy person.
Stanley.
Don't try this next time. Don't try it.
Leave!
They are not going anywhere. Oma, stay there. When you're done with your friend, then you can go back to your duties. Cherry, I'm not going to warn you again.
Stanley, you're embarrassing me because of this fool. You're stupid, you know that.
Cherry! Get out of my house.
What? You're asking me to leave the house in front of this... Oh, this nincompoop who's not going to walk me out.
Cherry.
I'm going to go.
Don't want to walk out.
Stanley.
Hey. Madam, come to go, I beg.
Hey, wait.
Madam, come to go.
Mama, you're old.
So, did your friend get home safe?
She doesn't have a phone and I don't have either. So I'm sure she has gotten home.
So how do you communicate with her?
I called her auntie with the security man phone. That was how I was able to reach her. Maybe later I'll call again to be sure she has gotten home. So I'm thankful for you allowing my friend to come visit me. I appreciate.
I should be the one apologizing for how Jerry behaved earlier. I'm sorry.
Jerry is not a child. She's an adult. She's accountable for what she has done. Whatever she did it because she wanted to. Not because you influenced her to. So, thank you. You don't know how that makes me feel.
No. Please, don't thank me. Your friend is welcome here anytime.
So why did you say that to your girlfriend? Why did you send her out?
Because anybody that spoke to you like that will be treated the same way. I don't care who it is.
But I'm nobody to you, not a special kind of person.
You think you're nobody? You mean something special to me. Very special.
How do you mean?
You're my friend. And you're in my heart. And I'm so grateful that you're amongst the few genuine people I can rely on. So yes, you're very special to me, and no one will ever speak to you like that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Lord, whenever I ask for anything, you always come to my aid. Even before I cry, you always wipe my tears. Today, I have come to you, not because of what concerns me, but because of your son, Stanley. You are the one that gave him a kidney and all the organs in his body. And if you wish, you will heal him without a transplant. And if you want a transplant, you will get him a donor. Lord, please heal him. Restore his health. Keep him happy for the rest of his life. That is all I ask. And as for the pain he feels, give me share of his pain and relieve him. This is all I ask through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Stanley, what is it? What's the urgency? What's going on?
Stanley, we cannot do this.
What are you talking about?
Mom, Dad, we cannot do this. I don't want to do this. We have to put a stop to this.
I just asked you, what are you talking about?
I went to her room. And there she was. Do you know what she's doing? Right now, she's kneeling down, praying for me. Praying for my well-being. Praying for me to recover, for my health. And you all want me to pretend. To pretend like everything is okay. Meanwhile, we're trying to take her to abroad just to harvest her kidney. I cannot do it, Mom. I cannot do it. We have to find a way. Another way.
Are you stupid? You are my son, and I will do anything in my power to keep you alive. That's what I'm going to do. Why do you think I employ her? Of course it's to harvest that kidney. Yes, and that's not going to change. It's going to happen.
So I have no say. I can't decide. Is that what you're saying?
Okay, so now you want to decide. Where was your decision when we were paying heavily for dialysis? Taking you from one hospital to the other, frustrated. Some days we don't sleep. Myself and your father. Do you know what we've been through? You think it's easy watching your son die? You think it's easy? So why are you doubting us now? Why do we need your permission now?
I don't expect you to be saying this, Stanley. I mean, if I knew this was why you called us, I wouldn't have come. I thought we were having a crisis or something. Please, I'm going back to my room.
I can't do this, Mommy. My conscience cannot carry it.
Your conscience better carry it.
My conscience
because it's happening.
It will not.
It's going to happen.
Mom, he said he doesn't want to do it. Is there any other alternative?
Yeah, maybe the alternative would be your kidney. Can you donate?
You know, if it was the right match, I will do it. But it is not.
Exactly.
I feel that we're cheating this girl. I feel that if we tell her, go straight to the point, she's going to really give it to him.
Exactly. I heard her saying to one of her friends that she's more than willing to donate her kidney to me, if she could.
Oh, how so
Let's
sweet.
just ask her, Mom.
Yeah. Listen, both of you, I'm going to say this once. I won't say it again. I have waited for this kidney for God knows how long. I am not ready to risk it by asking her.
But she
Do you hear me? I know that you have developed some kind of bond with her, but you better don't let that bond come in my way because I'm going to do what I'm going to do. Don't let it interfere. Pack your things. If you don't have the energy to pack them, I will pack them for you. But you see that transplant is happening, whether you like it or not.
You're not even thinking about her. She could die. She could die.
People die every day, and if the world loses one more person, it's not a big deal.
Then let me go. Lose me too. If you don't care about other people's lives, I do. Lose me.
That's not going to happen because you're my son. I will lose no child of mine. I will do anything to keep my children alive. You and your sister, you people are going to stay alive. I will fight. I will kill for it. And we're done having this conversation. Get yourself together.
What are you going to do? Are you just going to let her die?
Did you see me fight for her just now? What do you want me to do now?
Fight harder!
Honestly, this is getting out of hand. It scares me. We have to do something fast before things get bad.
So what do you think we should do right now?
I don't know, but we have to really find a way to separate both of them. Yes, because the way he's going, he's not going to tell her, so she'll be discouraged or probably just make her run away.
But you know, my son can only stay away from that girl if that girl leaves this house. So how can we achieve that?
I don't know. We'll have to do something. Wait. Kidnap? Kidnap?
Honey, wouldn't that be going too far?
Going too far? For what you want? We want to save our son's life. Going too far? No. We kidnap her, we'll keep her somewhere. They're feeding her properly. Then after a while, we'll pretend like we paid some ransom for them to free her. Then she's scared. And we are worried. We're like, look, we have to leave this country. We're no more safe. Then she joins us. She will jump into the plane. We'll go abroad and get this thing done. We have to be fast. We have to be proactive. I mean, there's nothing else to do. Nothing.
Are you saying we should kidnap her? Keep her somewhere, and then when we are ready to travel, we'll bring her out, stage a ransom, and then travel with her?
Exactly. Why would she say no? It works.
So, when are we going to achieve this? When are we going to do it?
I don't know, but I have to think. I don't know. We have to think fast. What we're doing fast. I have to make some calls. Yeah, I have to make some calls. This girl needs to be kidnapped even, tomorrow. Today I have to send her out so they can... No, we have to make calls. No. We can't let this happen. This boy, he's going to mess everything up if we keep quiet.
Well, I am with you all the way.
I'm sending her out now. It has to be today, now. I'm sending her out. You pick her up, alright? Please, no stories, just a clean job. No traces. Did I make myself clear? Good. I'm sending her now.
Stanley, you need to leave now and save Omar.
Save Omar, leave now. I don't understand. What are you saying?
So I overheard Mom and Dad talking to someone to kidnap Omar. They are scared that you're going to tell her the truth.
Are you sure about what you're saying? Mom and Dad would never stoop to that level.
Which one is Mom and Dad will never stoop to that level? Listen, you need to save Omar now. You need to hurry up. You know what? You have to leave right now. I'll bring some things for you guys. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you have to leave. That's the best thing to do right now.
How are you sure this is the right thing to do? Are you sure about this?
Stanley, this is the right thing to do. The moment we leave this country, everything is out of our control. We won't be able to do anything. So, Hurry now. Hurry so that you can start.
Okay, let me help me get my drugs.
Where is
it's
it?
in that drawer there.
Okay, should I help you?
No, it's okay. Just go. Help me bring my bag from the drawer. From the wardrobe there.
Not on my conscience, it is making me hard to breathe.
Go. You trust me, right?
Yeah, but where are we going to?
You trust me. Just follow me, let's go. Go, let's go.
Is that not Stanley and Oma? Where are they going? Where? Oma! Oma! Where's this girl? Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Cherry. How are you, sweetie?
I'm fine. Were you calling Oma just now?
Yes, I want her to get something for me. What is it?
Well, I just saw her with Stanley. They both went into a car and drove off.
What do you mean by they just went into a car and drove off?
I saw them, though I thought I was mistaken. But then the security man confirmed it. But what worries me is why they didn't take any of the cars in the compound if they wanted to go out.
Wait, I don't understand. Why would Oma leave the house without telling me? And did she really go out with Stanley?
Exactly what I just said.
Hey, young lady, where's your brother?
He should be in his room, right?
No, he's not in his room. I just saw him with that little witch. They went into a car and drove off.
Wait, something is not adding up. Hold on. Just hold. Where is your son?
What kind of question is that? Is he not in his room or...
He's not anywhere in this compound. Neither is he in his room. He just left the house with that girl.
What are you saying? You mean my son left this house with that girl in that state? Where did they go to?
I have no idea. I have no single idea. I just hope that is not what I'm thinking. I just hope.
What are you thinking?
If what I'm thinking is true, know that your son heard nothing we talked about yesterday. He just eloped with that girl. Better start calling him.
Where this guy be now? You everywhere come look like this.
What is that?
I defy Oma.
Oma no dey here.
Where she come go?
She not there. Tell me where she come go.
Hey! You. Wetin happen?
Where is Oma?
Hey! No ma come fine. Why you dey ask me of Oma? No be this place she dey work.
Come closer. Ouch! I asked you a question and you dare respond with a question. Where is your friend?
Why you dey slap me now? Come! Open the step gate. Leave me! Leave me, Joe!
Are you stupid? Move.
Leave me.
What is wrong with you? Are you out of your mind?
Yes, I am out of my mind. And until this stupid girl tells me where Oma took your brother, nobody's permitted to have peace.
What did they happen? I don't know what did happen. She just hit me up and down.
What is happening? Who is this?
This is Oma's best friend. She used to visit her in this house. So she should be able to tell us where Oma took Stanley.
What makes you think she knows where Oma is? If she knows where Oma is, what is she doing in this house?
That's exactly the plan. Oma doesn't want to be found, so she sent her friend to come and act like she doesn't know anything and get more information from us.
What's in there happen? Where Oma? Why not they suffer me for waiting? I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you. Where is Oma?
I don't know.
That means you have a plan not to leave this house again. Till you tell me where Oma is, you're not going anywhere.
My story is my life. I don't know where she did.
You heard that? So what are we going to do now if she's not willing to tell us what we're asking her? Well, I suggest we take her to the police station. Maybe they can force the information out of her.
What? Police won't give you any information until it's 24 hours. That means you have a plan of being locked up in this house for 24 hours. Yes, because I'm not releasing you till you talk. Take her away.
You're right.
Right. On your feet.
Get up.
Wait. Go and lock her. Where are you taking her to?
To where? She's going to be locked up.
Come on, Mom. Sherry, this is all wrong.
She's going to be there. She will remain there until she gives us all the information that we need.
Exactly. What makes you think she knows where Oma is? If she knows where Oma is, why would she come to this house? She doesn't even have anything on her. She doesn't have a phone. Oma doesn't have a phone either. So how are they supposed to communicate?
You know, sometimes I wonder why you're so stupid and senseless. But then I remember that your grandmother raised you, which is enough reason for you to be so senseless.
One more word about my grandmother and I'm going to beat you up here.
Oh, I would like to see you.
Oh, stop! Stop, both of you. Just stop. I just want my son. And if that girl has my son, I swear, she doesn't know what's coming. Why would she take my son away from this house? Why?
Mom, your son is not a toy. He is not handicapped. It's not like she carried him and put him in her bag. He must have gone somewhere, supermarket or anywhere. Why are people acting like he's lost?
I just hope what I'm thinking is not true. Because if it happens to be true, if it happens that your brother left him for that witch, then fire is yet to befall this city.
What are we doing here?
I'm about to tell you something. And I want you to be calm. Just remain calm.
What is it?
You already know that I need a kidney.
Yes.
And a lot of tests have been run to look for a match, but there have been no match. Straight to the point. My mother did not hire you just to be a maid. She hired you for your kidney.
What?
Yes. You ran some tests, didn't you? With my mother at the hospital.
Yes.
That test is a kidney test. And the results confirm that we are a match. We are a match. And now, they want to take you abroad. That's what they promised. Take you abroad for school. But that's a big, fat lie. They want to harvest your kidney illegally to save my life. And they're going to force you. Or they're going to kidnap you And then they will kill you, take your kidney and then dump you by the roadside. Then they will pretend that they are paid for a ransom. But it's all a plan. Or they finally force you into the plane, take you abroad, and still get their kidney. Anything to save my life. But the problem is not just about your kidney. It's that they will not allow you to survive. These people do not care about surviving because they don't care about you. So they will make sure you die. So you cannot defend yourself. Just to save me.
Your kidney and my kidney is a match. Then why didn't you just tell me about it? I would have only given you my kidney to save you.
Yeah, they know. They know all that. I told them. But they refused to listen, and instead they chose evil. And that's why I will not agree to this. Because their intentions are evil. I will not be a part of any evil. I will not be a part of it.
So, what are we doing here?
We're here to make sure that you're okay. We're going to stay here until everything blows over. Then we go back, or we find a place that is safe for you to stay.
You don't need to stay here with me. This place is not good for you.
Any place with you right now is safe and good enough for me. Any place.
Why? You are not doing good yourself. So why do you think you need to protect me? If you think here is good for me, I will stay here.
Anything can happen. They can trace me and then get to you. My number one priority is to make sure that you're safe. It's to protect you.
Your health will be at stake here. Did you even bring your drugs?
Yes, I did. And Tracy is also coming to make sure that we're comfortable. She's coming with a few things.
Tracy is involved in this?
Yeah. She is. She's the one who heard them. And then she told me. She overheard them as they were speaking about it. Everything is going to be fine. Okay? Don't feel sad, don't cry, everything will be fine.
This is annoying. Just very annoying. I hope we're not making a mistake here.
I think it's time we did something. We can't just sit here and do nothing. Like we all know, it has to be 24 hours before the police get involved. And they would have gone far by then. I suggest we'll hire people to look for them.
Fine, if you have any contacts, use them, please. I'm doing the same. I have to find my son. We need to fish them out.
Where are you?
Thank you so much for saving her life.
So, what do we do now?
The police are looking for you. They will start searching for you in the next 24 hours. They have put street boys to look for you as well. But I brought some things for you. All of this.
You didn't have to. I had my card with me.
Listen, Stanley. You don't need your card. They could trace you with it. I brought some cash. It's inside the bag. If you need anything, just make payment with it. Okay? If the cash finishes, you could call me. I also brought a phone. You could call me, I could make an online transfer. Okay, take it.
Thank you. I appreciate.
You're welcome. I need to start leaving now, so they don't start looking for me. Okay? Please. Take care of yourselves. Okay? If you need anything, just call me. Just let me know. Alright? Be good.
Not on my conscience, it is making me hard to breathe. I can't stand to see another shed tears for me. It's not on my conscience, please make it to make sense.
If your parents have asked of me, I would have given you my kidney without thinking. But they didn't. Instead, they are willing to take my life. But you went against them for me. What more should I ask for? Before I know you really care about me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Even knowing all this truth, even after everything, you still show me love. Thank you.
Please not on my conscience. Please make it to make sense. I cannot sit to see another give up the life for me, 'cause it's over for me. For me, it's over for me. For me, it's over for me. For me, it's over for me. For me.
Where were you?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Tracy. Where are you just coming back from?
What kind of question is that? Which one is where were you? Where did you go?
I was outside the supermarket waiting for you. How did you go?
Which supermarket? The same supermarket I got this from. If you wanted to shop, you would have come in to talk to me instead of asking me all of these questions.
Trace, are you sneaking around? Are you?
Cherry, I don't know what is going on with you, but we're all tensed. I understand that, but please, it's Stanley we're looking for, not Tracy. She's been in this house for hours.
Something tells me you know exactly where your brother is.
Wow. Something tells you. Why not tell that something to give you the direction to my brother? Why are you asking me all of these questions?
Tracy, I am not joking. I am very serious.
Do I look funny to you? Do I look like a clown? Huh? Move again.
Hello, Commissioner. This is Mr. Charles on the line. Yes, I'm fine, Commissioner. Yes, we are fine. They are all doing well. And your family? Oh yes, Commissioner, I have a very important thing to discuss with you. Yes, it's my son. He's been missing for some time now. We can't find him anywhere. And he's sick. Yes, Commissioner, he did not even go out with his medicine. I'm sure something is wrong. Please, Commissioner, I need you to do everything within your power to make sure that we find him. I know we cannot really report. We can't declare him missing right now until 24 hours. But please, just anything you can do, Commissioner. All right, thank you so very much. Thank you, I'm grateful. All right, bye.
What did he say?
Yeah, sure that he's going to do everything he can do to help us find him. Trace the number. Yes. Keep trying until you connect. He has switched it off, but I just want you to keep trying. I'm sure he's going to turn it on anytime soon. Oh yes, you need to continue to do this. I want him brought back, safe and sound. Listen, you cannot imagine what I'm going to do for you. I'm really going to repay this favor. I will reward you handsomely. Oh yes, please, do what you can do. I need him home. All right. Thank you so very much. All right, thank you.
Stanley. 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 Stanley, I'm coming in. Stanley. 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 Someone help me. Stanley. Stanley. Someone help me. Someone help me. Stanley. Stanley, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this. Stop begging. Please don't do this to me. Stanley. Someone help me. Stanley, please. Stanley, please don't do this to me. Stanley. Someone help me. Someone help me. Please, me on my stand. Someone help me! Hello? What? I'm on my way. Doctor, how is he doing?
I'm so sorry we lost him.
What did you just say?
He's gone.
Hello, Tracy, what is it?
What? What? Oh my God! Oh, no! What is it? What is it?
Tracy just called. Tracy said Stanley is dead. Oh my God.
Honey! Honey!
What?
Please, no! No!
Mommy!
Honey, wake up, please. Please.
Officers, arrest her. She's the murderer. What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of what? Arrest the sin! If you have any sense left in you, you will not meddle in this. Your mother is there fighting for her life, yet you're here trying to save this devil.
My mother?
What are you still waiting for?
see my life going one way, and there's nothing I can do. If I should go, let me go in peace. If I should go, let me go with no tears in my eyes. I wanna say goodbye.
My God. Stanley. That girl will not go free. She will not go free. I will not let that girl go free. Oh, my son.
Take me to the police station. I want to set my eyes on that girl who did this to me. I want to look her in the eyes. This is what I get at the end of the day. After all the suffer, all the toiling, my son's gone. It's over. It's over.
If I should go, let me go with no tears in my eyes. I wanna say goodbye.
Why are you crying? Why are you shedding crocodile tears, you witch? You're evil! After what I did for you, you let my son die! You will burn in hell, you will rot in jail! I will make sure that happens! You didn't do anything, that was my only son! You took him away, you had no medicine on him! You led him to his death! You repaid me with evil! I took care of you! Witch! I can't wait to see you burn in hell!
Well, you stupid girl, you that call yourself Oma, we brought you into our house and cared for you, and what you did was kill our son in return. I would have just killed you with my bare hands. But let me let the law enforcement agents do their job. Look at her. Animal. Wicked girl. Demon. Oh my God.
Are you mad? Why would you slap me like that? Because we just found out that you knew everything. You knew exactly where your brother was, yet you concealed it.
Don't say that to me.
Tracy, how dare you? I have given all of you the freedom, all the freedom you need in this world. And then you decide to lead your brother into his untimely death. Oh my God. Tracy, listen. His death and his blood is on your head. Yes, you're a curse. A very big curse to this family.
I thought I had a child. I didn't know you were my enemy. An enemy to your own bloodline. We were everywhere looking for your brother, yet you knew where he was. You led him to his untimely death. I know that Oma might have been tempted more than you were the architect. You killed your own brother. I cursed you too. Just like your brother is dead, it would never be well with you. You would never find peace.
I can't believe he's gone. He's gone. He's gone for real. Why am I even wasting these tears? I should just tell my followers that I've lost my fiancé. Maybe they just have to engage. Hi guys, it's your favorite girl. I just lost my fiancé. I just lost the love of my life. I am broken. I just don't know how to feel right now. I just don't know. I need your prayers. I need you all to pray for me. I need you all to show me your love, whichever way you know you can support me, because I just don't know how to. I lost my sweet man. That's him. You know, we used to be all over this place. And I can't believe I lost him. Oh God. Oh, Darlington, thank you for the love. Thank you for your support. I will never forget this. Oh, Stacy, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I know God will heal me. Amen. But I begged you. I begged you to spare his life. I begged you to give me his own share of pain. I begged you, Lord, why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? I begged you, Lord, why? Why did you take me? Why? Me? Please don't help me. I don't have anyone. I don't have anyone to fight for me. Please God, fight for me. Fight for me. I don't have anyone. Please God. Where are you? I'm tired. If you allow me, I am willing to pull all the strings to make sure that girl goes to jail and remain locked for the rest of her life.
You don't need my permission. You don't need any permission. Just go ahead and do it. Because I don't mind putting all the strings to make sure that happens.
One more thing. There is a possibility she'll come out of jail. So I think we eliminate her once she goes to jail. I mean, people die every day in jail. All we have to do is pay someone to get the job done and make sure she doesn't survive it.
Anything that needs to be done, do it. Anything that needs to be spent, we will spend it. My son's death cannot go like that. No. I will make sure that Oma
meets her end.
Not on my conscience, it is making me hard to breathe. I can't stand to see another shed tears for me. Please, not on my conscience, please make it to make sense. I cannot sit to see another give up the life for me.
We can't let her die. We can't let her go to jail. Jail is not good for her. You need to do something. Why are you quiet? You know she did not kill you. You were quiet when you were alive. Are you also going to be quiet in the spirit? Stanley, please, do something.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know what time this video will get to you. But if you're getting this video, it means that something has happened to me. I just want everybody to know that I have not been feeling well. Everybody in my family knows of the kidney problem. And death is close by. don't know how I'm feeling tonight, so I'm making this video and I'm sending it out to the public before anything should happen or before it's too late. As I said, kidney failure. And my parents have tried everything. My name is Stanley Charles, son to a wealthy business tycoon, Charles Bennett, and my mother is Irene Bennett. They've tried everything, but they couldn't find a match for a kidney to save my life. And then they hired a maid. She's here. As you can see, she looks so innocent. They hired her in a guise of guilt. In the guise of getting her a job. But it's all a lie. They did some tests on her and they found out that she's a match. And now they want to harvest her kidney illegally. I tried talking to them to tell them it was wrong, but they wouldn't listen to me. They wouldn't. They know I was going to put a They know I was going to put a stop to it. And that's when they planned to kidnap her. I'm crying out to the public. Oma, the lady here, is innocent. We both ran away so that my parents will not kidnap her. Because that was their next move. To kidnap her and keep her somewhere until the time for our trip. Because they plan to take her abroad in the name of school, but it is actually to harvest her kidney. They will not listen to me, so this is the best way to go. Everyone, once again, if anything should happen to me, she is not to be blamed. She is not guilty. She is innocent. Please. Alma, since you came into my life, you've been nothing but a blessing. You brightened my world. I know I didn't get the time to tell you this because we didn't get to that point. But I love you so much. Yes, I'm saying it. I love you so much. I love you so much. And in the next life when I come back, I will look for you. Because you're a good woman. A wife material. Pure heart. And to everybody watching this, please protect her. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you. I need to take this to the police.
Tracy came to the police station today and she brought this evidence. You can take a look at it.
This is bad. This is really bad. Hi, Mom. Where are you coming from? I went out. Oh. Mom, why are you doing all of this? What have I done again? How did you get this phone? How did you think we got the phone? The money moved from hand to hand. Voila! We have the phone. So tell me, warrior princess, how do you intend to save your witch from going to jail?
You guys paid the police and collected evidences. Is that what you did?
To think that you want to send your mother and father to jail because of some girl is alarming. You're lucky that I'm in a good mood. I would have hit you harder because you deserve it. I know that Cherry has her issues, but she's more of a daughter to me than you will ever be. You're wicked and I'm disappointed in you.
Be disappointed? You think I didn't hear what you guys were planning? You think I don't know that you're planning to send Oma to jail and then kill her? Someone that made him happy. Is this how you want to pay her back by taking her life? Oh. You may have succeeded in all you did today. But put it at the back of your mind that justice will prevail. And I know Stanley will not rest. I am sure about that. And as for you, Cherry, continue doing what you're doing. You will meet your Waterloo.
Oh, is that all you can say? Is that all you're going to say, warrior princess? Rubbish.
I just lost my son. Like, am I supposed to kill my daughter with my own hands?
No.
I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
I know.
I'm tired. Why is she so mean?
I know, just...
I can't believe I gave birth to that girl.
They think they are smart. But I have more duplicates of the evidence. The police cannot be trusted. Let's do this.
What do you mean? Now? That can be true. Wait, let me check. Alright, hold on, let me check. What? How on earth did she... I thought I took... No, this can't be true. I took it from her. How did she get it? Not to talk of posting it. Now no one is going to save Mr. and Mrs. Charles. I need to leave town. I have to leave this country. Hello? Yes, please. I need a flight. Yes, book me a flight to Amsterdam right away, please. Okay, thank you. Alright.
I'm coming.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What is going on? It seems you overslept not to know what is happening in the world.
Sorry?
You are under arrest.
Under arrest for what exactly?
for this.
What? How did this get to the media?
I did. Yes.
Tracy.
What are you thinking? That I will shut my mouth and watch you ruin people's life? No! You ruined my brother's life and I will not allow you ruin someone else's life.
I need to speak with the commissioner. 1 minute.
Yes.
Tracy. It's not picking.
No one is picking your call because no one wants to get himself involved in organ harvesting. So move it.
I will speak with my lawyer first.
Move it.
You're a disgrace!
Madam, move.
You're a disgrace! You're a curse to your mother!
Yes! I am a curse to my mother because my mother is a curse to society.
Shame on you!
Please make it to make sense. I cannot sit to see another give up the life for me, 'cause it's over for me. For me, it's over for me. For me.
He didn't tell me. He did not tell me.
Oma, it's because he didn't know you were not going to stay longer. And he didn't want to bother you.
I would have gladly given him my kidney if that would keep him alive.
I know. But anything could have happened in minutes.
Why is life so unbalanced? That we can get everything we want.
That is life for you. Only God can decide.
What will I do with myself now?
Listen, Oma. You are my responsibility now. You see that school? You will go. Anything you want to achieve in this life, I'll be there for you. This is what my brother would have wanted.
What about my friend Kate?
Okay, I'll compensate her for everything she went through. And even if she wants to go to school, I'll take care of it. That's if she wants to.
So Stanley is not coming back. He's not coming back. He's not coming back.